Today, I'm going to show you how to make an incredibly creamy, refreshing, and easy-to-prepare egg salad sandwich. It's one of those perfect recipes for breakfast, an afternoon snack, or even a light lunch on warmer days. The contrast between the warm, crispy bread and the chilled filling makes all the difference. With just a few ingredients, you get a delicious result that the whole family will love. Start by placing 3 eggs in a pot and covering them completely with water. Place over medium heat and cook for about 15 minutes to ensure the eggs are fully hard-boiled. This timing ensures the yolks are firm and have the perfect texture for making egg salad. While the eggs cook, take the opportunity to prep the other ingredients. Take 150 grams of ham and dice it into very small cubes. The smaller the pieces, the more uniform the filling will be, ensuring a perfect balance of ingredients in every bite. Next, chop half a cup of fresh parsley. Try to chop it finely so it distributes evenly throughout the mixture, adding freshness, aroma, and a lovely pop of color to the filling. And don't forget, the ingredient list is in the video description. Once the 15 minutes are up, turn off the heat and carefully remove the eggs from the pot. When they have cooled down, carefully peel them one by one, removing the entire shell. Start by mashing the egg whites with a fork, breaking them into small pieces without turning them into a complete paste. Then, mash the yolks until they have a very fine, smooth texture. Mix the whites and yolks together to create a uniform base, while keeping some small bits intact to make the filling much more interesting in terms of both texture and presentation. Add 3 pinches of salt, 1 for each egg, and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Now, add the chopped ham and parsley. Continue mixing slowly, using gentle motions from the bottom of the bowl upwards to distribute all the ingredients evenly. And if you're enjoying this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and help us grow. Thank you. At this point, add 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise over the mashed eggs, ham, and parsley. Mix gently using a spoon or spatula, gradually incorporating all the mayonnaise. The goal is to create a smooth, creamy mixture that coats everything well, without using too much mayonnaise or leaving the mixture dry. Notice how the filling takes on a creamy, colorful, and highly appetizing appearance. The parsley adds freshness, while the ham offers a mild flavor and a delicious texture that pairs perfectly with the eggs. Once everything is thoroughly mixed, transfer the egg salad to a clean bowl, cover with plastic wrap or a lid, and refrigerate for at least 20 minutes. This resting time is crucial, as it allows the flavors to meld completely and makes the filling even more refreshing. While the filling chills, prepare the bread. Set aside 8 slices of sandwich bread to make 4 sandwiches. Toast the bread in a toaster oven or your standard oven, whichever is quicker and more convenient for you. Don't let the bread dry out too much. Ideally, it should be crispy on the outside while remaining soft on the inside. Keep a close eye on the color. As soon as the edges start to turn golden and the surface develops a slightly crisp texture, remove it from the oven immediately. The aroma of toasted bread makes the recipe even more irresistible. With the filling well chilled and the bread still slightly warm, it's time to assemble the sandwiches. Take 2 slices of bread for each sandwich and place a generous portion of egg salad on one of them. Carefully spread it with a spoon, extending the filling all the way to the edges so every bite is packed with flavor. Gently close the sandwich with the other slice of bread, pressing just enough to hold everything together without squashing the filling. For a more attractive presentation, cut each sandwich diagonally to reveal the incredibly creamy, colorful interior. Now, simply enjoy this delicious treat. It's an irresistible sandwich, featuring golden, crispy bread that contrasts beautifully with the chilled, ultra-creamy and flavorful filling. It's a practical option for any time of day, perfect for picnics, special breakfasts, afternoon snacks, or quick meals. Make this recipe at home and savor every bite of this delicious egg salad served on warm, crusty bread. If you enjoyed our video, please hit the like button and share it with friends who love a great recipe. Feel free to leave your questions and recipe requests in the comments. We look forward to hearing from you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss out on a delicious, easy-to-make recipe. Thanks for being part of our channel.